What is up, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in the 2026 Acura MDX Type S. So if you're a frequent viewer of Drew Drives, you know that the MDX Type S is one of my favorite vehicles for sale today. I absolutely love this car, and I'm going to buy one of these in a couple of years as a daily driver. I always rave about the MDX Type S because I truly do think it is a fantastic vehicle. This vehicle has a 355 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque with the 3-liter turbocharged V6 with a 10-speed automatic transmission. What I love about this car is it's an all-around star. It does everything really well. It gives you the right amount of power, which is quick for daily driving. Has a beautiful interior. You have massaging seats, ventilated seats, heated seats, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have, the seats are absolutely gorgeous, and you have beautiful wood trim, Bang & Olufsen sound system with 32 speakers. It's ridiculous. The amount of equipment and everything you get. And the MDX Type S looks fantastic. Plus it has an air ride suspension, and you have the lift mode, snow, comfort, normal, and sport mode. The suspension will raise and lower depending on the mode that you're in, right? You have a head-up display, and the speaker grills in the Type S are black, and the other ones it's with the Bang & Olufsen system, and the other models it's silver. Right, and then very easy to use touchscreen, and I love how Google Maps is integrated into the infotainment, which looks awesome. And I really like Google Maps. It's my favorite map provider, so I really like that. And you can also just access Google Maps straight from here. So if you want to use Google Maps, you don't have to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You can just use it directly from there, which is with Wi-Fi. So yeah, it's just an awesome vehicle. But let's walk around this MDX. This one's finished in liquid carbon metallic. I love the black wheels with the red 4-piston Brembo brakes, and the front fascia on the 2025 and 2026 MDX Type S is super aggressive. You have a frameless diamond pentagon grille with the open diamond design with the Type S models. Here are the rear seats with heated function in the Type S Advanced Package and A-Spec Advanced Packages. I love the back of this car with the quad outlet exhaust. This generation of the MDX is gorgeous, but this just looks so aggressive. I love the quad exhaust. That's another reason I want this car. I really like the design of quad outlet exhaust. This will look really good next to my G80 M3. I just love quad outlet exhaust. They look awesome. And 3 rows, of course. Let's go to the window sticker. $77,800 is the total vehicle price on the window sticker. And you get 19 miles per gallon combined, 17 city, 21 highway. Let's get this MDX out on the road. And actually, before we get on the road, I'm going to show you the massage options. Wave, shiatsu, step, awake, fusion, lower back, upper back, rejuvenation. I like the shiatsu one. It's pretty good. You do get massaging seats in the Advanced Package and A-Spec Advanced as well. I already uploaded a test drive video on the A-Spec Advanced 2026 model, so be sure to check that out. After this one, I need to get the videos on the Advanced Tech Packages and base models. Yeah, this car is just such a joy to drive, and for its size, it just handles so well. I would literally drive this car all over the country. I would use it for every road trip. Even the regular MDX just drives so well. So nice. Love it. You also have a wireless charging tray where you can put your phone. are so comfortable with the massage function, and plus like the support the seats give you for your back, the lumbar support, and also the lateral support's really good when you use the active, when you change like the bolsters. And as I said, like just the way this car looks, it looks so awesome. It looks so aggressive. And like I barely ever see MDX Type S's. I like the uniqueness of it. Like I probably see maybe one MDX Type S on the road every like 2 or 3 months. I barely ever see these things, which is another reason I want it. I like having unique cars, which you don't see too many of. The regular MDX, of course, you see a lot of those, but not the Type S. Like I saw one yesterday, and that was the first time I've seen one on the road in quite a while, actually. And I haven't seen any of the facelifted ones. The only ones I've seen are like, you know, a lot of ones I've seen recently are pre-facelift. Pre-facelift was 2022 to 2024, and then 2025 was the facelift. And then in 25, there's no more touchpad, obviously, in the MDX. You have the touchscreen, and then no more ELS sound system. It's Bang & Olufsen. And plus you have the Google integration, of course. But yeah, the MDX Type S is very popular. They sell very quickly. All the customers love them, and the customers that traded in all kinds of crazy cars for this car, such as, you know, X5Ms, BMW, a bunch of BMW M vehicles, high-end Mercedes models. Someone even traded in a McLaren. So yeah, it's just it shows that people really like this car. A lot of high-end customers who buy high-end vehicles really appreciate this vehicle. This is just an all-around star. It does everything well. I have no complaints on the MDX Type S at all. I mean, obviously, I'm a huge supporter of Acura, as you guys know. I'm definitely biased towards Acura for sure, just because I just love the brand. I always have. But the MDX Type S truly is amazing. And I just have a lot of sentiment towards Acura, just because my family has owned so many Acuras, and then my first car was a TL Type S, which I loved. That was an awesome car. That's why I want to get another Type S. And since we have returned to Grubb's Acura, that concludes this video. Thank you for watching another video of Groove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships and Grubb's Acura in the description below if you would like to purchase your own MDX Type S.